In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here, we'll walk through how modifier order works in Blender using a simple cube and why rearranging the stack can dramatically change your result. First, let's put something in the scene. With your 3D viewport active, press Shift+A, go to Mesh and choose Cube. This gives us a clean, predictable object to work with and something to attach modifiers to. If your cube appears away from the origin, that's just because it spawns at the 3D cursor and it won't affect what we're doing. Next, open the modifier panel, select the cube, look to the properties editor on the right side of the interface, and click the wrench icon. This is where we manage non-destructive changes using modifiers, which means you can experiment freely and adjust settings at any time without permanently altering the base mesh. Now add at least 2 modifiers, click Add Modifier, then choose Subdivision Surface and Solidify. Subdivision Surface smooths and refines the geometry by adding more detail, while Solidify gives thin surfaces actual thickness. You can leave their defaults for now. The goal is to understand how their order changes the final result. Keep in mind that you need 2 or more modifiers in the stack before reordering makes a difference. Let's rearrange them. In the modifier panel, find the small grab handle on the left side of each modifier. Click and drag to move a modifier up or down the stack. As you drag, watch the mesh update in real time so you can see exactly what the order is doing. Here's the core concept. Blender applies modifiers from top to bottom. Each modifier acts on the output of the one above it. If Solidify is above Subdivision Surface, Blender first thickens the original cube and then smooths that thicker shape. The result is a sharper, more defined thickness because the smoothing happens after the shell exists. If Subdivision Surface is above Solidify, Blender first smooths the cube and then adds thickness to that softened shape, producing a rounder, more blended thickness with gentler edges. Pay special attention to corners and silhouettes. That's where the difference is most visible. If performance slows while previewing, reduce the view levels on Subdivision to keep things responsive. And remember, because this workflow is non-destructive, you can reorder and fine-tune without committing anything. To wrap up, start with a cube, open the modifier panel, add at least 2 modifiers, and drag to reorder them. The top to bottom sequence defines your final look, so use it intentionally to control sharpness versus smoothness.